Hey chicas, welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating a look, which is this look, using my November BoxyCharm box. I got a lot of good products within this box. I'll be showing you as I go along what products I'm using. It was mostly like the eye, as it pretty much always is, but I got some brushes, I got a palette, some lashes. What else did I get? I got an eyeliner, and then I got a highlighter by Cover FX. But if you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, so I am going to start off using my NARS Creamy Concealer in the color Ginger, and I'm just going to put that on my eyelids as my primer. Now I'm going to go in with this palette that came in the BoxyCharm box. It's by Ace Beauty. It's the Grandoise palette. The three colors that I'm going to use is Patchouli, Cinnamon, and Prime Rose. I'm just going to take the lighter shade and put it all over my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with Cinnamon, put that in the crease. And then you'll see coming up, I'm going to use my finger to use Prime Rose, which is a bronzy gold shade. And I'm just going to put that on my eyelid. Yes, I almost went in with a brush to use this color, but I was like, you know what, I think it'll come off much better if I use my finger, which it did. Okay, so this Luxie Luminous eye set, this came in the box, and I only ended up using 2 of these brushes. This one right here, I just took a bit of that Patchouli lighter shade and just blended it with Cinnamon. And then this is another brush from a previous set that I went back in with Cinnamon just to blend those 2 shades. So this is by Butter London. This is the Double Decker Mascara, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on my lashes. The lashes came in the box for November. This is by Lashaholic Lashes, and this is in the style Instaglam. And these lashes are really, really pretty, and they were super easy to pop on. Another item from the box is the Jante Blue Glittering Eyeliner in the color Black, and I am just going to put this in my waterline. For my foundation today, I'm going to use this NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the color Vanvatu? I guess that's how you say it. I don't know, but anyway, I am going to use this shade, and this is my first time using this foundation. I do like the finish of it, but after a few hours, maybe several hours, I would say, my face ended up getting a little bit of oil, but it wasn't so much to where I couldn't take a napkin to blot it off. But for the most part, I really do like the foundation. For concealer, I am going to go in with this Tarte Creaseless Concealer in the color Light Medium, and I'm going to apply it to my under eyes, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin, and forehead with the wand, but I'm going to blend it with my finger. I noticed this actually maybe a week ago. I didn't feel like getting up and wetting my beauty blender to blend my concealer in, so I used my fingers, and I like this method a lot better than the sponge because I feel like it melts into my skin a lot better, which I really do like the ending results. To set the areas that I concealed, I'm just going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, use my sponge, and just pat that on those areas. And then I'm going to take a brush to brush off the excess. Searching for the way to go, searching for the light to show. If I To set the rest of my face and to give my face a little bit more color, I'm going to go in with my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Tan, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. And then to do a contour, I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil in the color Medium Dark. Going back in with Cinnamon from that eyeshadow palette and one of the brushes from the brush set, I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. For blush today, I'm going to go in with Tarte's blush. This is in the color Quirky. This is a nice natural blush shade with a hint of peach. For the last item in the BoxyCharm box is the Cover FX Glitter Drops in the color Nova. I just put this on the back of my hand so that it would be easier to blend out and then pat on the areas that I wanted to highlight. Going back in with the Double Decker Lashes Mascara, I'm just going to put some on my lower lashes. For lips today, I am going to do something nice and bright red. So I used this NYX lip liner in the color Ruby. Just went ahead and applied that on the lips. And then I'm going to go in with this beautiful liquid lipstick by Pixie. This is in the shade Real Red. This is such a beautiful red. It goes on creamy and it dries down to a nice matte. To set the face, I'm going to use my favorite at the moment, which is the Urban Decay Cherry All-Nighter Setting Spray. This stuff smells so good, and it leaves my face nice and matte. To finish my brows, I'm going to use this, is it Faux Era? I'm just going to call it Faux Era, I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to use this nice little tattoo brow pen just to fill in the front parts of my brows. I really do like this. I like the strokes that it gives. Alright, you guys, so I really do hope you liked the video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.
AbbyRed.